There's something very familiar in your home, something that seems only useful for soothing chapped lips or dry skin. But few people know that, after just a short time using it properly, it can actually make your skin look youthful again, glowing day by day, visibly reducing wrinkles, and leaving your skin soft and radiant like in your 20s. The special part is, you don't need expensive cosmetics or time-consuming spa treatments. With just the right combination of one simple, natural ingredient, you can create a safe, gentle, and effective homemade skincare remedy right at home. But not everyone knows how to mix it correctly, how much is enough, or the best time to apply it for optimal results. And not every skin type should use it indiscriminately. In today's video, I'll share everything step by step. The causes behind dull, aging skin, a formula that brightens, softens, and reduces wrinkles in a short time. And most importantly, I'll reveal a simple drink that, if consumed every morning, helps your skin become stronger from the inside, rosy, fresh, and naturally slows down the aging process. Please watch until the end, because the most important part is at the conclusion, where I'll show you how to prepare this drink and the best time to take it for the best results. If you find this content helpful, dear friends, please don't forget to click subscribe to the Live Well Everyday channel so you won't miss any weekly tips on natural skincare and wellness. And if you've tried home skincare remedies before, comment with the number 1. If you're still searching for a new, safe, and effective recipe, drop a 0 so I know. I'd also like to send you a warm message, wishing you health, radiant skin, a graceful figure, and growing confidence in your natural beauty every single day. Let's get started now, dear friends. Before I share the main formula, let me take a few minutes to explain why our skin becomes dull, dry, and less elastic, and why fine lines start showing as we age. When we understand the root of the problem, skincare becomes easier, more effective, and more focused. After the age of 30, the body goes through silent changes that we often overlook. One of those changes is the decline in collagen and elastin, two essential components that keep our skin firm, smooth, and elastic. When these decrease, the skin sags more easily, becomes less firm, and wrinkles start forming, especially around the forehead, eyes, and mouth, areas with frequent facial movement. Besides aging, daily habits like not protecting skin from sun, obesity, staying up late, poor diet lacking vegetables, not drinking enough water, or long-term stress all accelerate skin aging. And sadly, many people only care for their skin from the outside, forgetting that skin also needs internal nourishment. That's why, to improve aging skin, we can't rely on external products alone. We need to adjust our lifestyle and choose the right skincare methods. If we just understand, choose correctly, and stay consistent, our skin can slowly recover, become more radiant and glowing each day. I still remember a visit to my elderly aunt in the countryside. When I saw her skin, I was honestly surprised. Even though she was over 60, her skin was smooth, not too wrinkled, and naturally glowing and healthy. I asked her what her secret was. She just smiled and said simply, "I just apply this to my face every day. Nothing fancy, every house has it." It turned out this was a small jar of Vaseline placed next to her makeup mirror, something she'd used for decades. That moment made me more curious about the true benefits of this seemingly basic petroleum jelly. When it comes to moisturizing, most of us have probably heard of or used Vaseline, a soft, transparent jelly used to soothe chapped lips or dry, cracked skin during cold weather. But few people know that when used properly, Vaseline can act as a highly effective moisture barrier, especially for dry, aging, or damaged skin. Vaseline is a form of petroleum jelly, a highly refined mineral wax that's safe for skin. When applied after moisturizing, it forms a seal to lock in water, helping your skin retain moisture longer. As a result, the skin becomes softer, less flaky, and maintains its natural hydration for hours. Besides sealing in moisture, Vaseline also softens rough outer layers, making skin smoother and less coarse. For areas prone to fine lines, like around the eyes or mouth, regular use can make the skin look fuller and healthier, simply by moisturizing correctly. However, because Vaseline is thick in texture, I recommend people with oily skin or active acne should only use it on dry or flaky areas, not the entire face, to avoid clogged pores. Now that we understand why Vaseline has quietly become a beauty secret for many older women, let me share with you a super simple but surprisingly effective skincare recipe. Dear friends, if your skin feels rough, dry, is showing fine lines, or looks tired, this formula is worth a try. With just 3 familiar ingredients, Vaseline, vitamin E, and 1 natural fresh component, you can create a homemade mask that deeply moisturizes, brightens, and smooths wrinkles with visible results after just 1 week of consistent use. Here's what you'll need. First, 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. This is the base ingredient, acting as a moisture-locking shield. It contains pure petroleum jelly, proven safe for skin. When applied after hydrating, Vaseline forms a barrier to prevent water loss through the skin, keeping the skin hydrated, softer, and more resilient, especially around eyes and lips, where wrinkles tend to form. Second, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, or if you have sensitive skin, you can substitute with 1 teaspoon of fresh aloe vera gel. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, a natural antioxidant that brightens skin, reduces dark spots, and helps stimulate collagen production. Aloe vera, on the other hand, contains enzymes and anti-inflammatory compounds that soothe, heal sun-damaged skin, and improve irritated or acne-prone areas. You can choose either based on your skin's sensitivity. Third, 1 shea capsule of vitamin E, 400 IU, or 5 drops of pure vitamin E oil. Vitamin E, also known as tocopherol, is a powerful moisturizer and antioxidant. It helps reduce pigmentation, restore elasticity, and protect skin from free radical damage. This ingredient nourishes your skin from within, slows aging, and enhances glow. First, gently warm the Vaseline by placing a small bowl of Vaseline into a hot water bath for about 1-2 minutes. The goal is to soften the Vaseline so it blends more easily with the other ingredients. Then, mix the warmed Vaseline with lemon juice or fresh aloe vera and vitamin E until you get a smooth, creamy mixture. Not too runny, not too thick. At night, after cleansing and drying your face, use your finger to take a small amount of the mixture and gently apply it all over the face, especially focusing on wrinkle-prone areas like the forehead, corners of the mouth, and eyes. Massage gently for 3 to 5 minutes in an upward and outward motion to help the nutrients absorb deeply into the skin. Then leave the mixture on for about 15 minutes and rinse off with warm water. Some people with dry skin may leave it on overnight, but for sensitive or combination skin, it's best to leave it on for only 15 to 20 minutes max before rinsing to avoid clogging the pores. When Vaseline is combined with vitamin E and lemon or aloe vera, they create a powerful skincare trio. Vaseline retains moisture and helps restore the skin's protective barrier. Vitamin E nourishes skin cells, softens the skin, and improves elasticity. Lemon or aloe vera helps brighten, soothe, and renew the skin surface. Dear friends, your skin will gradually become smoother and more even-toned. Fine lines will be lightly filled in thanks to deep hydration, and you'll notice visible softness and radiance after just 7 to 10 days if used consistently and correctly. Although this is a simple and generally safe recipe for most skin types, it's not suitable for everyone. For those struggling with severe acne or very oily skin, using Vaseline, a thick substance that strongly locks in moisture, may cause clogged pores and worsen breakouts. In such cases, it's better to use lightweight gel-based products or consult a dermatologist before trying this method. Also, if your skin has reacted to mineral oil-based ingredients or you're sensitive to citrus essential oils, you should test the mixture on a small area under the chin or behind the ear first before applying it to your entire face. One more note. If you are pregnant, it's best to avoid using lemon juice on your face during this time, because its high acidity may make your skin more sensitive to sunlight and lead to irritation. In that case, you can replace it with fresh aloe vera gel to still achieve soothing and restorative effects without harming the skin. On the other hand, this formula is especially suitable for people with dry skin, normal skin, or skin that's starting to show small wrinkles around the forehead, mouth corners, or eyes. If you're over 30 and feel that your skin is dull, flaky, uneven, or showing early signs of aging, you can apply this formula 2-3 times a week to restore hydration, soften the skin, and naturally reduce wrinkles without spending much. Dear friends, before we move on to the next part about a miracle morning drink that helps rejuvenate your skin from within, if you've ever tried natural skincare tips or found this video helpful, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button to Live Well Every Day and comment 1 if you've tried it before, or 0 if you're still looking for an easy yet effective routine. Now, to care for your skin both outside and inside, besides applying Vaseline masks every night, let me share with you a very simple yet powerful morning drink. When combining both approaches, outer care and inner nourishment, the beauty results will come faster and more noticeably. Brighter, smoother, more even-toned skin that grows healthier day by day. This drink uses just 4 very familiar ingredients, easy to find right in your kitchen, but when combined the right way, they help detoxify, cool the body, stimulate collagen production, and deeply hydrate from within. 1. Warm water, 200 ml. The water should be about 35 to 40 degrees Celsius, just gently warm to the touch. Warm water slightly dilates blood vessels, stimulates bowel movement, supports better nutrient absorption, and kickstarts digestion after a night's rest. Drinking warm water on an empty stomach also helps clean the intestinal lining and promote toxin elimination early in the day. 2. Raw honey, 1 teaspoon, about 5 milliliters. Honey contains over 300 bioactive compounds, including enzymes, B vitamins, natural antioxidants, and minerals like zinc and magnesium. It soothes the stomach lining, boosts immunity, enhances skin, and has mild anti-inflammatory effects. When used in proper amounts, it also gives a gentle energy boost without causing a blood sugar spike. 3. Fresh lemon, 1 thin slice, about 3 to 5 grams. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that brightens skin and boosts collagen production. It also supports liver detox and contains citric acid to cleanse the intestines, support digestion, and relieve mild constipation. 4. Fresh turmeric, 1 small slice, about 2 to 3 grams. Lightly crushed turmeric contains curcumin, well known for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and skin-brightening effects. Crushing turmeric releases more curcumin into the drink, helping the body absorb it better. When these 4 ingredients are combined, they create a cleansing drink that purifies the liver, detoxifies the blood, improves digestion, and nourishes the skin from within. Warm water acts as a carrier and activator. Honey provides energy and nutrients. Lemon helps cleanse and brighten, while turmeric reduces inflammation and protects the liver, working together to build beautiful, long-lasting skin. You should drink this in the morning on an empty stomach, right after waking up. First, prepare the warm water. Then add 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 slice of lemon, and 1 crushed turmeric slice. Stir gently, wait about 1 minute, then sip slowly. You can do this every day, or at least 3 to 4 times a week, to see brighter, smoother skin in just 2 weeks, especially when paired with external skincare. However, not everyone should drink this. Here are a few precautions. People with active stomach ulcers or severe acid reflux should avoid lemon. Replace with a slice of orange instead. Those on blood thinners or about to undergo surgery should consult their doctor before using turmeric, as curcumin may affect clotting. People allergic to honey or who've reacted to pollen should be cautious. Children under 1-year-old must not consume honey. Dear friends, healthy and beautiful skin doesn't depend on expensive products. It lies in daily consistency, understanding your skin, and choosing simple, safe solutions that suit your body. Just a little external care with natural masks and a bit of internal nourishment with healthy drinks each day, and your skin will slowly recover, glow, and smoothen before you know it. If today's video was helpful, don't forget to like, share it with loved ones, and subscribe to Live Well Every Day for more easy and effective natural health tips. Have you ever used Vaseline this way? Or do you have a favorite homemade skincare method? Please share your tips in the comments below. Comment 1 if you've used Vaseline for skincare, or 0 if this is your first time learning about it. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Wishing you all good health, peace of mind, and many days filled with smiles on your radiant, healthy skin. Goodbye and see you again.